Alright, welcome to my channel. This is Lockchuck. What I'm going to attempt today is this Matlock 5025 that I got from Nigby in a lock trade. It's a very nice pop. It is a 6-pin, not too treacherous, but I will say it is prone to oversetting. So, because those don't look that low, but I think I had some trouble oversetting when I first tried to start picking. So just light lifts, I found out. Very fun pick. Switch tensioner here. A lot of feedback with the pins. Make sure you're able to see. So I'm gonna go in, feel for a binder. Usually it's number 2. A little bit of a false set there with number 2. 1 wants to bind. We'll click out of 1. Alright. Go find who's binding now. Alright, I'm in the false set. So now I just got to feel for some counter rotation. Make sure I'm just on 1 pin. Alright, I think I got that one set. Now I just got to find the next one. And we're open. Alright, that is a very fun pick. I like that a lot. It's very fun. So let's see if we can give it a quick gut. Oop, there's the core. Alright, so let's see. I got the key, so I'm gonna lock it back. Alright, now the fun part. Where's my pin track? Trying to get this crazy little clips off. So if I can get it off without shooting it across the room. Well, if I do, then I'll have an entry video for Pig and Paul. But oh, there it is. So that's off. I think I'm gonna shim this one because of the way the core kind of drops down. The tailpiece drops down right there. I'm scared that the pins will. I need a better shim. Good lord. Yeah, well, it'll work. Oh, duh! Gotta put the key in. Let me get this key. I don't like gutting with 2 keys. Sorry. Give me just a second. All right. So that is in. Can't even tell which way the shim is curved anymore. I got some more, I'm just too cheap to try to. There we go. Alright, shimmy in, follower. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this. Alright, that should be good. The pins are up. It's a long gap. I don't like that gap. Turn a little bit more. There we go. Make sure my shim's in there good. Okay. Okay. So drop the key pins. Okay. It's got some anti-drill. That's nice. 2 anti-drill pins right there. That's an improvement on the compared to the Americans. Let's see. Gotta get the shim out. Alright. So, tweezers. Alright, tweezers. Pin 1. It's like a standard, maybe steel. Copper spring. Two, from what I understand, is like a barrel, but it's anti-bump. Got a steel spring with it. Okay, I'm gonna go the other way. We got a spool in 6. Copper spring. Spool in 5. Another copper spring. Oops, that one goes there. 4 is another spool. Copper spring. Yeah, I'm not good. And 3 is a spool. And another copper spring. All right. So I'm going to try to, pin tray is a little bit too big for these little pins, but anyway, maybe you get a good picture. So standard, maybe steel is anti-drill. I'm just curious, is that steel, that old magnet anywhere without sucking them off everywhere? I'll wait. So maybe steel, and then a barrel, anti-bump, heavy spring on that one. And then 4 spools, serrations on the key pins, but I didn't feel that. I just once, I think, I only felt 2 spools, but I'm wondering. Let me put the. I'm wondering if the spools are so high. Let me see. I think it may have been those 2. They're the highest, longest key pin. I bet the spool doesn't even get, yeah. So the spool is so, the key pin's so high there that one, the spool part doesn't get involved, and that one's close. I don't know. Maybe if I pick it again, I'll try to go all the way to the back and see if I can get 3 spools to pick. So yeah, that one should give a false set, but that one does not look like it'll give a false set. So there is some. See that? I guess looks like. Let's see if it'll focus without me knocking. Got some kind of over milling or counter milling. I guess that would be some counter milling right there for those to get caught in, or the serrations to get caught in. So fun little pick. I mean, I like that Matlock. So all right, if you're hanging around, thanks for watching. Again, thanks Nigby for the lock trade. Appreciate it.